result bela permit mentakasni apa ka website Mpsc. Te kidon ki result jang ka Fishery Officer under Fisheries Department December 2020 te kitu ki balai tha exam. Te sa check ki roll number jang phi la phi live name. Te kine ki bala qualify nam ta ka personal interview ki roll number 26 32 60 69 79 83 88 93 109 113 143 147 149 150 151 153 155 157. The next number, the personal interview will be held on 16 May 2023 at 10:30 a.m. in the office of the Meghalaya Public Service Commission. The letter and send your fee. There's a check the number ki jong fee ibadan ki number. Tenang don biang sakawai biang ga result kami intax ni. The result of the screening test to the post of Child Development Project Officer under Social Welfare Department April 2018. The held on 14 January 2023 is hereby declared. The two candidate kiba late to exam. There's a check number jong phi ne kiba qualify nam ta ka personal interview 75 148 169 173 307 317 327 337 360 382 383 419 452 461 494 504 513 529 562 584 587 689 692 and 700. Yes, personal interview will be held on 18 and 19 May 2023 at 10:30 a.m. Igi letter and send ha ki address ki jompi lembaga Mpsc. Tagi ne jom tip,